How to fix the issue where you're not hearing any notification sounds on your Android phone. So I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first step is you need to use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of your phone. You can then go in, open up this control center and make sure the do not disturb mode is turned off like this. If you have this turned on, that will be the reason why you can't hear any sounds. Now, once you've done this, go and open up the settings on your Android and then scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now, make sure sound is selected at the top of this page. Now click on notification sound. Make sure the volume slider is turned up. And also make sure you've selected one of these sound effects from the list. You can then come back over to the previous window and head back over to the main settings page. You can then click on notifications, click on advanced settings, click on notification history, and make sure this is turned on. And now from this window, you'll need to go and locate the app that you're not receiving the sound from. So let's say that I'm not receiving a sound notification on Gmail. You can click on the drop down arrow next to the app and then go and long press your finger on this description and make sure allow notifications turned on. Make sure alert selected like this. You'll then need to click on sound and make sure you have a sound selected. And once you've done that, you can come back over to the main settings page. Click on sounds and vibration, scroll down and click on separate app sound, and just make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. If it's still not working, you may also need to go and disable Bluetooth on your Android. So to do that, swipe down in the top right hand side. You can then click on the Bluetooth icon and just make sure this is turned off. So that's how to fix notification sounds not working on your Samsung phone.